This is Yvonne Oakfield, and this is the internal anatomy of my sheep heart. Going through sort of the list, I'll do my best to sort of show you with one hand and one hand with the camera. I don't have any budding biologists apparently in my family. I don't have any volunteers from my kids. They all sort of ran. So going through the atrium, the right atrium, starting up here, we see the pectinate just inside. I can't get a good picture of it. The myocardium, the heart muscle on the left. This is outlining the left side of the heart versus the right. On the left, we see it about, in this specimen, maybe 2 or almost 3 times thicker. That's in order to be able to pump the blood a further distance because it has to go throughout the body. Whereas with the right side, it just pumps it from the atrium to the ventricle and then out to the lungs, and that's a shorter proximity or smaller proximity. So the muscle doesn't have to be as thick. The trabeculae carnae on the inner surface of the ventricle. We can see, let's see if I can point it out a little bit better. Sorry. It's this back muscly area here, and it's actually sort of comb looking on that back wall. You can see the grooves and ridges of the trabeculae carnae. The intraventricular septum is here between the two, between the right and left ventricles. This is the septum. The bicuspid valve, or the left arterioventricular valve, we see here. It's this flap, this covering. That's the mitral or bicuspid. The tricuspid. On the other side, a little tougher to see. My dissection wasn't as good as I would have liked it on this side. You see here where my finger is, that's a portion of it. So this is the tricuspid valve. The chordae tendineae is, in this example, best seen in this left ventricle. This attaches from the muscle to the valve itself. The cusp of the valve are these flaps or these openings. Here's one here. The other, we have part here and then part up there. The papillary muscle are the muscles or the muscle bumps and ridges that attach to these chordae tendineae that actually control the valve. The pulmonary semilunar valve is hang on. Pulmonary semilunar valve is actually here. Again, my dissection on this was not quite what I wanted it to be. The aortic semilunar valve, a little easier to see. I put the probe through. Hang on. No, I got it. Sorry. The aortic semilunar valve is right there at the very top. And that's it. Thanks so much.